I've just spent the past few hours connecting these 4 high-powered video lights to my phone. Check this out. We're doing this later. What's happening, guys? Now I'm just gonna come straight out and say that lighting is the singular most important thing in photography. Instead of buying a more expensive camera, lenses, housing, buy a cheaper camera. Downsize your kit before you buy it and budget for some lights. The quality of your video and photo with a cheaper camera and some good lights will be so much better. Depending on what you guys are shooting, there are 2 different lights that you might require. The first is a constant light for video. The light comes on, doesn't come off. The second are still lights or flash guns. Now what these do is they work as a camera flash. They're just big camera flashes. The benefit of lighting is that it allows you to expose for your background, bring down the highlights to actually make some nice blue water, and use the lights to light your foreground. Now what this does is it allows you to expose your image perfectly. You haven't got blown out highlights in the water in your background, and your subject is lit perfectly. Now for video, I use 2 of these. They're OrcaTorch D900V lights, and full disclosure, I do work with them, but their products are genuinely very, very good and very affordable. These are 2,200 lumens each, and that is plenty bright enough to light your subject and bring some life back into your foreground while exposing for what's behind you, the light blue water in the background. This is the sweet spot right now in terms of quality and cost. They're very affordable, but the quality of light they produce is very good. For macro photography, honestly, a video light might suffice. You're so close to your subject that you don't need the highest intensity beam light. Otherwise, potentially have a look at the Inon S2000. For wide angle photography, however, before we continue, I'm going to show you how I light my videos. Super professional lighting kit right here. That is a D2000 in a bucket of water to stop it overheating. All right, let's swap these over and continue. And that is why you charge your stuff. It's been about 3 dives and I've just been like, nah, that'll be right. Anyways, for wide angle photography, you are going to need a little bit more light. Have a look into the Inon D2000, which is one of the lights I use, or the CNC YSD2 if you're on a little bit of a budget, or if money's not really an object and you can spend the extra $200, have a look into the Inon Z240 or Z330 or the CNC YSD1. Now these are top end lights and they do run about 1,000 Australian dollars or about $750 US. Now I think that's pretty much everything. If this video has helped you, please hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more. If there's something you do want to learn, chuck it in the comments below and I'll do my best. Otherwise, see you next time.